Oh, hello everybody. This is a really unfortunate video I have to make, but I have learned some terrible news, but in order to and as a natural outcome to like what the furry community the heroic act the furry community did, I actually have a little treat, which is this is the stupid blizzard. I'm not sure if you're supposed to be eating that. Oh, why? Because it's the whipped cream that makes you stupid. Oh, I'm gonna try it anyways, but here goes nothing. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Hey, Creed.
I touch you in your sleep.
Oh man, hey mom, you can't just leave yet. I've got graduation and prom. Ugh. Oh my god, there's so much like Master of Puppets and satanic worshipping and all that nonsense and like Satanism and furries and blah 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 blah. All right. Yeah, oh man. Ooh, it feels like I gotta go poop. I gotta take a number two. Oh man. Oh man, I really need to use the bathroom.